Welcome to May, everybody. Actually, happy May 4th. May the 4th be with you. And I would like to start out this week by letting you know that Mr. Smith and Bo is the puppy dog in the background there, had a little hiking this past weekend. And as for all of us, we had a little bit of rain. And this is just a normal path nearby. It is not a creek, although it looks like a creek. But I'm going to have you take a look at this in a little bit because this has to do with what I'm going to have you learn about this week. First of all, I would like to start with thank you for great responses last week. I am working on your poems about Chernobyl. If you did not submit them, but you feel like you're done, please make sure to go back that you've done that. The one thing that I would like to show you is what you need to do if you are having trouble submitting something. This has come up with just a few people, so I thought I'd show you this here. This week, I don't have that you need to connect to your Google Drive, but if you do, the one thing that's happening with a lot of people since you're at home is sometimes your Google Drive is dropping from its connection to Schoology. So if it ever does that and you can't get into a Google Drive document, please go into your apps and then just make sure that your Google Drive is connected with Schoology. I know that you had to do this for cultural arts a number of times when you need to submit something, but if some of you are having problems where it says it won't connect, that might be why, so double check that. Okay, here's what we're gonna do this week, or here's what I'm gonna have you do this week. I'm going to have you, when you go through, please make sure that you take your attendance. The winner definitely last week, or the most popular answer, most of you, if you had a chance to be an animal for a day, were choosing to be a dog, but there were some wild and crazy, awesome answers that people gave, things that I certainly hadn't thought about, and so made my day to read about those. After you've checked in, then the first lesson is going to be picking up from what we did last week, where it has to do with a nuclear power plant in Japan called Fukushima. And I'd like you to see that's much more recent than Chernobyl, what went on there. There is a Pear Deck answer or two that you need to do, and when that automatically records. And after you have watched the videos and read the articles that I've posted, there is a quiz that you need to take on transboundary pollution. So please make sure you read everything first and then go ahead and take the quiz. You may take it more than once if you need to. Then lesson 2 happens to be about acid rain, another pollution problem that we have in the United States. We have it here. Acid rain does not mean that you are going to feel this in the acid rain as it comes down from the sky, but acid rain is some chemicals in the rain and snow that we have. There are some questions that you need to answer within that. And then the last part is about local pollution. And there is a job that I have for you to do, some questions to answer about the watershed and where water goes when it's at your house, your home, and where it goes from there. So, looks like a pretty good week. Thank you for all the things that you guys have been doing. I still miss you like crazy and hope you're doing well.